Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make an image outline in Canva. So first open your Canva and just add an image, any image that you want, and then remove the background first. So click on the image and edit image and choose the BG remover. Click on that and wait for the background to fully removed. So now the background has been removed. You can adjust the size. I'm going to make the image bigger like this. And to make the outline, you can just click on the image and go to edit image again and scroll down until you find the shadows options, and here click on see all and choose glow. So after that, click on the adjustment in here and lower the blur until 0 and click on the color and change it into any color that you want, but I'm going to change it into white, and I'm going to make the size bigger so that the outline will be more visible like this, and adjust the transparency into 100 like so. So you can just adjust the size and also the transparency as your liking. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thanks below. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and also click on the thumbs up icon. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.